Unit 3. A safe place. Listening 3. Read and listen.
What do you know about jungles and the animals that live there? Lots of different animals live in jungles. Jungles are beautiful, but people are making the jungles polluted and dangerous. They are cutting down the trees. The animals are not safe. They need help. This is Sepilok Park in Malaysia. It's a big park for orangutans. They are safe here. There are lots of big, tall trees. People can't cut these trees down. 80 orangutans are living free in this park. Look, can you see the orangutans in this picture? They are climbing and playing. They're funny. The rangers give them food. These orangutans are eating watermelon. Visitors can go to the park to see the orangutans. They watch them and take photographs. There are other animals here too. Rhinos and bears are not safe in the jungle. They are living free in Sepilok Park too. It's a safe and beautiful place. Come and visit.